Hi guys, welcome to topic 6.2, Acquire, Develop, Manage Project Teams. Let's review acquiring project teams. Now that you have a direction for the execution of the project works, you will need a team in place to direct and manage the works. The criteria for acquiring project teams. The project manager is the person who has the authority to manage the recruiting process and decide on the team members. While selecting and deciding on team members, the following criteria should be considered. Required level of experience. The project manager gathers all information about the current experience level of the team member to compare it with the acquired level of experience. This is followed by personal qualifications. By means of interview and questionnaire, the project manager looks at the personal skills and talents of the team member and measures how this individual team member will work with the other project team members. Next is availability. The project manager identifies whether project team member desired for the project is available. The project manager should decide with functional managers on the availability of the project team member. Let's look at some of the methods of acquiring the project team. Methods of pre-assignment. This allows selection of team members in advance before project starts. The method is used in situations when implementation of project depends on the expertise of specific people who deliver a competitive proposal to the project. Next is method of virtual team building. The people who carry out their roles and responsibilities with little or no time spent on face-to-face communication and collaboration. Virtual teams use electronic means of communication. The last is method of negotiation. This allows making staff assignments between multiple projects in order to ensure each of the project has appropriately competent human resource within the required time frame. Then the process of acquiring project team comes to an end and generates the following outputs. Project staff assignment documentation includes names of the project team members, memos to the team members, and a project team directory. This is followed by work schedules, documentation, team members availability, and include time periods that every team member can work on project considering schedule conflicts such as vacation time and commitment to the other projects. The last is updates to the project management plan. Concerns such elements of the plan as human resource plan and staffing requirements. These need to be updated in the project management plan. Why do we need to develop project teams? Now that you have acquired them, you need to develop them to suit project needs and enhance project performance. The process of developing project teams is an activity that allows improving internal and external interactions of team members, developing their competencies and skills, and optimizing the overall team environment for the purpose of enhancing project performance. Let's look at some of the objectives of the project team development. Improve skills and technical competencies of project team members to increase the probability of achieving project deliverables in the context of decreasing cost, improving quality, and reducing schedules. Improve internal agreements and personal recognition among team members to enhance morale, reduce number of conflicts, and improve productivity. Establish a dynamic team culture to improve team spirit and cooperation between team members to contribute to better knowledge and expertise sharing. Let's look at some of the methods of developing project team. Development of project team is a continuous process, not an instantaneous one. There are 4 basic methods to develop a project team which are able to accurately and effectively complete the project scope. The method of developing project teams are shown below. Method of team building. This allows creating reliable, friendly, and long-term interpersonal relationship between project team members to help them work together face-to-face, operate from remote locations, and achieve the feeling of trust and confidence. Method of team training. This allows improving competencies of project team members by means of formal and informal training sessions such as classrooms, online seminars, webinars, on-job training, mentoring and coaching. Method of team co-location allows placing all team members which may be at different locations in one physical location to improve their ability to perform the project work. Method of rewarding and recognition. This allows recognizing and rewarding appropriate behavior of team members by means of financial or non-financial incentives for the purpose of motivating team members, creating positive reinforcement and increasing support among team members. Managing project teams. The process of managing project teams is an activity that allows tracking performance of team members using feedback, resolving strategies and operational issues, and managing changes for the purpose of optimizing project performance. Let's see some of the specific project team management methods and techniques. Method of communication and supervision. This is used to track current work and attributes of project team members. By means of live conversation and observation, the project manager communicates with team members and reviews their achievements in context of deliverables, accomplishments, and interpersonal issues. Method of performance appraisal. This allows measuring performance of the project team member to clarify project team role and responsibilities, review constructive feedback, discover unresolved issues, develop individual training programs, and outline specific goals for the future project activities. Method of conflict management. This allows handling conflicts in team environment to achieve higher productivity and positive working relationships among team members. This method is used within the conflict management process and managed by the project manager. So guys, this brings you to the end of topic 6.2. Thank you.